So we've got the camera fixed mounted up here, which isn't too useful in this case because it doesn't follow obviously the forks and it matches up as up. This is a fairly high push aisle master. So we're going to put a magnetic camera with a battery on the twines here, and that's all wireless, and we're going to actually repower off the old monitor and put a new monitor on. Wireless receiver, electrical monitor here that's been powered off the existing 12 volt that was actually there. And then a magnet camera just on the twines here, and then just obviously a tough tape here to hold this on. And then we've got our removable battery. So here we had it up in Iron Master, and they had the issue with obviously when you're actually operating this, you can't see the forks at the bottom, and they had this fixed camera up here which wasn't much help for what they needed. So what we did is we've put a magnet twine camera on, so like a wireless camera with a battery at the back. You can see that's just some twines there. The battery is like a magnet as well on the back, so this is like silicon tough tape. And we've just used the existing power source and put our wireless monitor on here. And that gives you a very easy system to be able to see what you need to see. So you can see that's the view there. And there is like 2 batteries included, so you can just operate with like 1 battery all the time, get about 12 hours at runtime out of it, and then swap them over when you're like ready. Fairly straightforward to swap them over. Put the new one on, and that comes with the charge. Obviously, you just have those charging on the wall, and then you unplug them, and the camera plugs into the side here. So that is the wireless for forklift camera setup that's up mounted on the twines. Super handy for here because they couldn't see down when they're operating.